Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gabe Hogan, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can actually make money from Etsy. How you can make money from Etsy, but probably in a way that you're not thinking of or you haven't thought of yet. Alright guys, so this is going to be super special, super important, but this video is not going to be that long, alright? So stick to the end of it, and you all will see the strategy that I'm talking about. But before we get into the video, if you have not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'm be coming out with tons more content at the end of 2020 and going into 2021. All right, so what's up with Etsy? How can you make money from it? Now, to begin with, we're going to use this short, not so good artistic illustration. Now, so here you have Etsy, all right? Now, Etsy has all kinds of products. They've got arts, crafty products. They've got all types of girly things, but they also have these things called digital products on Etsy, and this is something you'll probably don't know about. So the strategy we're going to use, we're going to go on Etsy. You're going to create your seller profile. You're going to create different products, and then we're going to get going. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to go on Etsy. You're going to list your product, okay? You're going to list your product on Etsy. And what you're actually gonna do when this product sells, you're gonna come over here to this place called Fiverr, and then you're gonna buy the product. All right, and then after that, it's gonna circle back around, and you're gonna deliver the product to the person that bought it from you on Etsy. Now, this is it broken down in real simple terms. Super simple. I just want to throw it out there that way you guys know what the process is going to be. Now you're probably like, Gabe, okay, like I vaguely understand how this works, but can you break it down a little more? Sure. So I'm going to give you guys an example. Okay, so you're going to go on Etsy. You're going to start typing digital, and then we're going to go with the first thing that comes up, digital planner. All right. So you click on digital planner. And then you can see this one is selling for $19.99, $13.99. Let's just go with one of these up here, $29.99. All right, and it says their store's done 7,500 sales. All right, so $29.99 for a digital planner. All right, for a digital planner. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over here to Fiverr, type in digital planner. Click search. It says, I will help you design a digital planner for your Etsy shop or personal. All right, so they're going to include 35 pages. It's going to be a monthly planner. It's going to have a to-do list, daily planner with monthly goal tracker. And here's all the things they're going to put in the planner. All right, all the things they're going to put in the planner. There's 10 different things they're going to put in there for you. They're going to design this for $30, guys. $30, and you have your planner designed. Now, this isn't like a regular product, and you're not drop shipping a product. You're not having to pay for it every time somebody buys it from you. So this is the power of this, okay? So if we go back to our little illustration we had, so this is going to cost you $30, okay? The planner is going to cost you $30. Mind you, this is going to be a one-time fee, okay? A one-time fee of $30. And then over here, you're selling it for $10 to $30 every time. You paid for it one time. They designed it for you one time. And now you're selling it on Etsy just time after time after time. You're hammering away. And that is the power of digital products on Etsy. Like, people are literally killing it on Etsy with digital products, and it's something that like nobody's really thinking about, because everybody's thinking, well, if I can't make something out of wood, if I can't make home signs, if I can't make mugs with people's name on them, then I can't sell on Etsy. If I'm not a crafty person, then I can't sell on Etsy. That's not even true. All you have to do, go on Etsy, just start typing in digital, and you could say anything. You could say digital, and then just start typing in A, and then you can type in B, and you can just see what it starts to suggest to you in the drop down menu, and then just start going from there. Like you can do pregnancy announcements, you can do, like it's saying here, baby announcements, you can do Christmas cards, you can do all types of different things, and the opportunities truly are limitless with this, guys. Now, this was not a video to go directly into it and start giving away like all the secrets, and this wasn't supposed to be an in-depth video. This was just a video that gave you guys a broad idea of a business that you all could start looking into, and just to try and like make you guys aware of different things you can do with Etsy. All right, guys, so do this for me. If y'all enjoyed the video, if you liked it, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That way it gets it out there to the YouTube algorithm. It helps out with that. And then it's going to get it in front of more eyeballs and more people are going to see it. So if you guys can do that, I really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you are, because we got more videos on the way. I appreciate y'all, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.